Hi, I'm Kate Sadler. I'm an assistant professor in neuroscience at UTD and a member of the Center for Advanced Pain Studies. And in my lab, we investigate two pretty big questions. So the first is we're trying to understand how sickle cell disease pain is processed in the peripheral and central nervous system. So we use a mouse model of sickle cell disease, which is the most common genetic blood disorder in the world. Our mice have the exact same mutation in their blood genes that patients who have the disease have in their blood genes. And so we're able to test out new compounds that can potentially alleviate pain using these animal models, and then try to identify additional targets to test both in the periphery and then in different brain regions for alleviation of sickle cell pain. And then the second big question that we're interested in answering is understanding how the microbiome, which is the collection of bacteria and other microorganisms that live in and on us as humans, contributes to different chronic pain disorders. So we've started trying to tackle these questions using our sickle cell disease mouse model, but we're interested in lots of different microbiomes, so gut microbiome, skin microbiome, other microbiomes, figuring out how, again, those bacteria and the compounds that they make interact with our, human cells and or the cells in mouse that are responsive to those different compounds in bugs. The Center for Advanced Pain Studies, or CAPS, at UT Dallas is, in my opinion, an awesome place to do your graduate training or postdoctoral training. So it's a really energetic group of people who meet regularly to share ideas, give constructive feedback on each other's ideas. And that's on top of all of the great experiences that you'll have as a graduate student in the systems and cellular neuroscience track here at UTD. I already have 2 PhD students in the lab, but we're always looking to take more people who are interested in working on the types of questions that we have both the technical experience to help with and the intellectual interest in addressing. So if you're at USASP, come find me. I'd love to chat with you. I'll be at the conference the entire time. So I'm in charge of the Early Career Forum, which happens on Sunday, the sort of half day before the meeting officially kicks off. I'll be at their president's reception that evening. And then McKenna Pratt, who's a technician in my lab, has a poster on Monday afternoon. And then she's also giving a talk as part of the Basic Science SIG meeting that evening. So we'll be around.